Can't open your Outlook emails? Is your OST file damaged or lost? Don't worry. We have the perfect solution for you. Meet Regain OST File Recovery, a simple tool that helps you quickly recover lost emails, contacts, and attachments. To download this software, open your browser and search for Regain Outlook OST Recovery. On search page, open the first web page. It is the official website of Regain software. Here, click on the free download button to download the trial version of the software. When the download is finished, double-click on the exe file, follow the on-screen prompts, and install the software on your device. After installation, right-click on the app icon and run it as administrator. It is the easy-to-use interface of the software. Here, first you will need to import your corrupted OST file to start recovering data from it. For that, click on the Open option. Now, on the Appear window, click on the Add Outlook Files button. Then select your OST file, and click on the Open button. Afterwards, click on the Next button. As a result, the software will take a few seconds and recover all your data from the corrupted OST file. To get a detailed preview of your recovered data, double-click on any folder at the left panel. At the top right panel, you will find all the emails, attachments, and other data available on that folder. Click on an email on this panel, and you will get a detailed preview at the bottom right panel. Now, to export the recovered data, click on the Export option. On the Export Options window, choose any format in which you want to export the recovered data. For this tutorial, I am selecting the PST format. Afterwards, simply click on the Browse button. Then choose a destination where you want to store the output file. And then click OK. Finally, click on the Convert Now button. As a result, the output file will be saved on your local directory. This software also offers the cloud migration feature. That means you can directly migrate your recovered mailboxes to any of the email clients listed here. So, if you find the software helpful, purchase the software to enjoy all the premium benefits. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with our social media profiles.